Well, hello YouTubers. I hope everybody's well. Okay, so just to do a small video, or probably small, the way I carry on, probably long one, yeah. But anyway, okay, so we've done these special caps. This is the third order he gave us, Hobbyalf, because unfortunately Japan won't do it. He did give them an order, 50,000 caps. That's a big order. That's a big order. If we got it, I'll tell you, I'll do it. But we do them fresh. We don't keep stock. So we did them today. Gonna send them off today, straight away, because he needs them straight away for his client. And yeah, get 10-year warranty with these. So you got 15,000 at UF at 120 volts. Very hard to get. You won't get them unless you go to get them from China and the cheap ones. Yeah, of course you can. But these are high-end caps. Okay, and then you got the 22,000 UF at 63 volts. Now, why I'm doing this without, this is for a special unit. Okay, this is for the Proton. I don't know if anybody heard of it, right? High-end item. It's a beautiful, they used to make, they still do, I think, high-end hi-fi. Okay, and basically it's a Proton D1200. So that's D1200 Proton. Okay, so basically, yeah, so we're going to send them off to Hobbyalf. So he's got the Proton D1200 takes 4 of these big boys, and they're heavy. 4 of these big boys, 15,000 UF at 120 volts. So she'll take 4, and then 2 of these, and then he's going to make up the kit because he sold the full kit. He sold the full kit. So the rest of them will be made in Japan. So yeah, so now he's decided that he's not going to muck around with Japan anymore, because they said they'll let him know, and he just told them, don't worry about it. I've got a manufacturer here in Australia. They're willing to do it, right? And we're happy to do it for Hobbyalf, and even anybody else. But you'll be paying more, unfortunately, because look, we've got to deal with Hobbyalf. So basically, yeah. So so he's not going to deal with Japan on big caps. He's going to try and knock them off if he doesn't get them. The larger caps, the smaller caps, yeah, they're easy to get from Japan. Not a problem with that. But I don't know why Japan won't do them. I really don't. They've got the facilities there. So I'm buggered by now. I'm flabbergasted. He was going to give him 50,000 units. I mean, that's a hell of an order. That's worth big money, so. But anyway, that's their problem. Even the axle caps, I don't know. He's asked us to do axle caps. At the moment, I just haven't got the machine to do that. Yeah, I can't do the axle caps at the moment. I have to invest in the machine. So at the moment, I can't. All right. So we're happy to do these. So you can get them, lug caps and, screw on. You can, we can do anything, not a problem. This is how he wanted them. He wanted them this way. All right. So, yeah. And you got the black, all right, which is negative, and you got it here anyway. Negative black mark. Simple. Our labels, that's how we want them. We don't want these fancy, printed. No, we're not interested. Good labels. We'll get them done. We're happy with that. And that's it. Okay? Because these are just very expensive caps to do. They're high-end. And if we start doing, coloured labels or printed labels, no, it's just not worth it. All right? These are, handmade caps. All right? Made in Australia. So you can see the date and the actual code. It's a simple code, 10-year warranty from this date, okay? So this is going, I think he said in Spain, it's going to Spain in, I think the guy's in Madrid. He's got this amp, he wants it fully recapped, yeah, all the electrolytics. Yeah, so he's going to basically do a kit, and this is part of the kit. So yeah, anyway, just to show a video how they are, well made, they're beautiful, you know, yeah. So if anybody needs assistance in cap manufacturing that you can't get from Japan, okay, or maybe from, you know, Germany or US, okay, as long as in Germany, as long as they're made in Germany, not in China. There's a lot of, you know, things, you know, are made in China with the actual German brand, okay, so be careful. All right, okay, so same with the Japanese caps. I mean, I've done videos on that, you know, basically where, you know, the lower end comes, you know, where Mauser and DigiKey get their caps, you know, from the lower end section, okay, not direct from Japan like Hobbyalf does, okay. So yeah, anyway, these are the caps. They're beautiful, well made, and this is for the Proton D1200. Okay, bye.